What if I told you that one of the most powerful wealth building tools in the world was something that most people completely overlook? And no, it's not winning the lottery, it's not timing the stock market, and it's not making six figures overnight. It is compound interest. Compound interest is often referred to as one of the greatest financial forces in the world. Today, we're breaking down what compound interest is, why it matters so much to start early, and how ordinary people can generate massive wealth over time. Let's get into it. Compound interest is one of the biggest reasons long term investors are able to grow their money significantly over time. And the key to understanding it is actually pretty simple. Compound interest is when your money makes interest and then that interest starts making interest as well. In other words, your money begins growing on itself. That is what makes compound interest so powerful. Here's how this looks in practice. Instead of earning interest only on your original money, which would be considered simple interest, you start earning returns on previous returns too. That's compounding. Now, here's the part that most people underestimate. Compound interest does need time, a lot of time. At first, growth can seem slow, but over time, you're able to generate massive wealth. Compounding really takes a little bit of time to get rolling, but when it does, the results can be life altering. In the beginning, progress may barely feel noticeable, but years later, the growth often becomes dramatically larger because previous gains keep building on top of each other. That's why financial experts talk about starting early. Even small, consistent investing can turn into huge returns later on. For example, someone who starts in their 20s and invests less can actually outperform someone who starts later on in life and invests more. Why is that? Because time matters a ton here. Here's a comparison with someone who starts investing at age 25, person A, and someone who starts investing at age 40, person B. Person A's money grows much larger over time. The earlier money starts compounding, the more powerful the long-term effect becomes. Now, most people associate compound interest with investing, but it can also apply to things like savings accounts, retirement accounts, dividends, and other long-term wealth tools. The idea is that your money is going to continue to generate additional returns over time. This is why consistency matters so much in personal finance. Small amounts invested regularly can become surprisingly large over long periods of time. Now, one of the biggest mistakes that people can make here is they just wait. They wait too long to start investing. They think, I'll invest later when I make more money. But delaying can cost years of compounding, and those early years are so incredibly valuable. Compound interest rewards patience and consistency more than perfection. Starting small today is usually more powerful than waiting years for the perfect time. Now, here's something important to note. Compound interest can also work against you, especially when it comes to debt. Credit cards charge interest too, and if balances aren't paid off, you're going to have compound interest working against you. Important thing to note. This is why high interest debt becomes so difficult to escape. The same force that builds wealth can also grow debt very quickly. Now, a lot of people are just chasing shortcuts to wealth, but compound interest shows that long term consistency is often more powerful than a quick win. Now, the truth is, building wealth is usually pretty boring. You make small, consistent returns, you stay patient, you let time do its thing. That's how many long term investors slowly build financial security over decades. Wealth building is often less about dramatic moves and more about consistency over long periods of time. At the end of the day, compound interest is so powerful because it turns time into a financial advantage. Your money grows, the growth grows, and over enough time, even small, consistent investments can turn into something much bigger. That's why starting early matters, that's why patience matters, and that's why compound interest is one of the most important forces in the world of finance. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos on personal finance or how money systems work. I'm curious, where are you guys at in your compound interest journeys? Is this something that you've been working on for years, or are you just now looking to get started? Let me know down in the comments. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you all in the next one.